Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In this video we'll discuss a step-by-step guide to learning coding at your home in 2024. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Learning coding at home is an accessible and rewarding endeavor that can open up a world of opportunities in various fields, including software development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore a step-by-step approach to learning coding from the comfort of your home. The journey involves setting goals, choosing the right programming language, selecting learning resources, practicing regularly, and seeking community support. 1. Define your goals and purpose. Before diving into coding, it's essential to define your goals and purpose. Ask yourself questions like: why do I want to learn coding? What specific areas or industries am I interested in? Do I want to develop websites, mobile apps, work with data, or explore artificial intelligence? Having clear goals will help you choose the right programming language and learning path. 2. Select a programming language. There are numerous programming languages, each serving different purposes. Based on your goals, consider starting with one of the following languages. Python. Python, known for its readability and versatility, Python is excellent for beginners. It is widely used in web development, data science, machine learning, and more. JavaScript. JavaScript, essential for web development. JavaScript is used for creating dynamic and interactive websites. It's a good choice if you're interested in front-end or full-stack development. Java. Java used in a variety of applications, including mobile app development, Android, enterprise systems, and web development. C#. C# commonly associated with game development, Unity. C# is also used for web and desktop applications. Ruby. Ruby, known for its elegant syntax, Ruby is often used in web development, particularly with the Ruby on Rails framework. Choose a language that aligns with your goals and interests. 3. Gather learning resources. There are numerous resources available for learning coding at home. Consider the following types of learning materials. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses in various programming languages and topics. Look for courses with good reviews and hands-on projects. Interactive coding platforms. Websites like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and HackerRank provide hands-on coding exercises and challenges to reinforce your learning. Books. Programming books, both physical and digital, are valuable resources for in-depth learning. Check reviews and recommendations to find beginner-friendly books. Documentation and tutorials. The official documentation for your chosen programming language is a valuable resource. Additionally, explore online tutorials and guides for specific projects or concepts. 4. Create a structured learning plan. A structured learning plan will help you stay organized and focused. Break down your learning into smaller, manageable tasks and set realistic milestones. Consider the following components for your plan. Foundational concepts. Begin with basic programming concepts like variables, data types, control structures, if statements, loops, and functions. Projects. Engage in hands-on projects to apply your knowledge. This could be building a simple website, creating a small application, or solving coding challenges. Advanced topics. Progress to more advanced topics based on your goals. For example, if you're interested in web development, move on to frameworks like Flask or Django for Python, or React for JavaScript. Version control. Learn about version control systems like Git, which are essential for collaboration and managing code changes. Testing and debugging. Understand the importance of testing and debugging to write robust and error-free code. 5. Practice regularly. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Dedicate consistent time each day or week to coding. Practice coding challenges, work on projects, and experiment with different concepts. The more you code, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Coding challenges. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeWars offer a variety of coding challenges to improve problem-solving skills. Personal projects. Building personal projects allows you to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex ones. Open source contributions. Consider contributing to open source projects on platforms like GitHub. It's an excellent way to collaborate with others and gain real-world experience. 6. Join coding communities. Learning to code is more enjoyable and effective when you're part of a community. Join online forums, discussion groups, and social media communities where you can. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions when you're stuck or need clarification. Online communities are supportive and often filled with experienced developers willing to help. Share your progress. Celebrate your achievements, whether it's solving a challenging problem or completing a project. Sharing your progress keeps you motivated and connected with other learners. Collaborate. Explore opportunities to collaborate on projects with fellow learners. Working on projects with others provides valuable experience and exposes you to different coding styles. Attend meetups and events. Attend local or virtual coding meetups, workshops, and conferences. Networking with other learners and professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. 7. Stay updated with industry trends. The tech industry is dynamic, with new tools, libraries, and frameworks constantly emerging. Stay informed about industry trends by following blogs and news websites. Subscribe to tech blogs, news websites, and newsletters to stay updated on the latest developments. Listening to podcasts. Coding podcasts are a great way to learn about industry trends, hear from experienced developers, and stay inspired. Exploring new technologies. Experiment with new technologies and tools to broaden your skill set. Attend webinars or online courses focusing on emerging trends. 8. Seek feedback and review code. Constructive feedback is crucial for improvement. Share your code with others, seek feedback, and be open to suggestions. Participate in code reviews, either in online communities or by collaborating with peers. Code reviews. Participate in or initiate code reviews to learn best practices, improve coding style, and discover alternative solutions. Learn from others. Analyze code written by experienced developers. Reading and understanding well-structured code is an excellent way to learn advanced techniques and improve your coding style. 9. Explore specialized areas and advanced topics. As you gain confidence in your coding skills, explore specialized areas and advanced topics aligned with your interests. This might include web development frameworks. Learn popular frameworks like Flask, Django, React, or Angular to streamline web development. Data science and machine learning. Explore data science libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and machine learning frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, if you're interested in these fields. Mobile app development. Delve into mobile app development using frameworks like React Native, Flutter, or native development for iOS, Swift, and Android, Kotlin/Java. Cloud computing. Understand cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for deploying and managing applications. 10. Build a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your projects and achievements that showcases your skills to potential employers. Create a personal website or use platforms like GitHub to display your projects, code samples, and any contributions to open-source projects. Project Showcase. Highlight your best projects in your portfolio. Include a brief description, the technologies used, and a link to the project, if applicable. Resume. Create a polished resume that reflects your coding skills, projects, and any relevant experience. Tailor it to the specific roles you're interested in. LinkedIn profile. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to showcase your coding journey, skills, and projects. Connect with professionals in the industry and join relevant groups. 11. Stay patient and persistent. Learning to code is a journey that requires patience and persistence. Embrace challenges, learn from mistakes, and celebrate your successes. Understand that the learning process is ongoing, and there's always room for improvement. Mindset matters. Cultivate a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and improve rather than obstacles. Celebrate progress. Reflect on your progress regularly. Celebrate small victories, whether it's solving a difficult problem, completing a project, or mastering a new concept. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Analyze errors, understand why they occurred, and use them as opportunities to enhance your understanding. 12. Consider formal education or bootcamps, optional. While self-learning is a fantastic option, some individuals may benefit from more structured programs. Consider formal education through online courses, coding bootcamps, or even pursuing a degree in computer science if it aligns with your goals. Coding bootcamps. Bootcamps are immersive, short-term programs that focus on practical skills. They often provide mentorship and career support. Online degrees. Many universities offer online degrees in computer science or related fields. These programs provide a more structured curriculum. Certifications. Explore industry-recognized certifications to validate your skills. Certifications from platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft can enhance your resume. Conclusion. Learning coding at home is an empowering and accessible journey that requires dedication, curiosity, and continuous learning. By setting clear goals, choosing the right programming language, leveraging diverse learning resources, practicing regularly, joining coding communities, and building a portfolio, you can develop the skills needed to pursue a rewarding career in technology. Remember that the key to success is a combination of passion, perseverance, and a growth mindset. As you progress on your coding journey, stay curious, stay connected with the coding community, and enjoy the satisfaction of turning your coding dreams into reality. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.